As we continue exploring data management in Excel, I have a really fun and really simple tip or trick that you can use in Excel to outline/manage the data that you're working with. So I want to introduce to you the concept of grouping. So grouping is just an organizational technique that you can use in Excel. It's technically called an outline or part of an outline view that you can create to basically organize and hide or display different types of data or data that you want to see as you're working through your data set. So now, why would you want to do that? Why would you want to hide some of your data or show some of your data? Well, just remember that your brain is the most powerful computer there is in the world, right? So your brain does things that you don't even necessarily know that it's doing. So I've got two data sets that are happening here, right? So say maybe you're only interested in what's happening in April, May, and June, for example. Well, if you're only interested in those, even though this is what you care about, as you read through this data set, your mind is subconsciously processing this as well. Now, this is, again, a really simple data set. There's not a lot to it. But as you dig through this, the more data you have, the more your mind is going to naturally try to pay attention to the other stuff, even if you're not using it. So in a way, your mind is filtering automatically, even if you don't want to. And what does that do? It causes fatigue, causes distraction. So there's a really great and easy feature that you have in Excel that can help you manage some of that. Okay. That feature is called grouping, and I want to show you how that works. So say, for example, you are interested in looking at different data based on these 3-month windows, April, May, June, July, August, September. Well, if I highlight these, 1, 2, 3, I have the ability to go to the data tab in the ribbon. I can go to group and I can select rows, although it did it automatically for me here. I'll show you another option in a minute. Now, when I did that, so when I grouped, and here, let me ungroup. So let me group. There you go. I'm going to select rows. So you'll see now that I've got this collapse button. So what does that do? It simply hides what I'm not looking at right now. So instead of me looking at the breakdown of April, May, June, I can simply see my totals for that 3-month window. Okay. I can do the same thing here. I'm going to group by row. And when I do that, I've got all of these. It's still there, but I have the ability to expand or collapse this data. Okay. Now you'll notice I have a couple other options here. See, I've got a 2 and a 1 here. So if I hit the 2, it's going to show me at the biggest amount of granularity, right? So I can see every single record that's in here. And if I want to collapse these both, I simply hit that 1 and it goes away and it just shows me my totals as so forth. Okay. Now what else can I do? So let's ungroup and let's ungroup here. So I'll go back to go back to ungroup. Okay. And I also have the ability to group by columns. Okay. So say I'm interested in grouping by columns, I can grab all of these and I can go group. And when I do that, I have the ability to expand. I have the ability to collapse. And all it's doing is changing my view. So nothing particularly special. Now remember, any kind of outline you view with grouping or ungrouping or subtotaling, it is a non-destructive way of managing your data set, meaning that if you don't like it, you simply turn it off. So if I don't like the grouping that I've created, I can go back, I can click ungroup, my data is right back where it started. So it's really simple, it's a really powerful tool, it's a really easy way for you to organize your data. I encourage you to try it out and see what might work for you. All right, we'll talk to you soon.